This is a really cool and prolific plant, a Sedeveria. It was labeled as Sedeveria Peckerwood when I got it. That's right, Peckerwood. It also looks like something that I've had called Sedeveria Pink Granite, and I've seen it labeled as Sedeveria Starburst as well. So they're very similar. Small, very, again, prolific, and kind of like easy to, if you bump it, the leaves fall off, and that's where a lot of these individual plants have come from. A really great plant. Right now it's a little bit purple from all the sun, and it's just kind of like hanging out, I don't know if you can see, over the, it's about to trail down the reel, over and out. I really love this plant a lot. It's just very easygoing. I have had some issues with mealybugs on it before, but as you see, it's very easy to propagate if there's any issues with it. It doesn't mind the heat. It's just, I wouldn't mind selling some of it, but I don't think I'd be able to ship because it's so fragile. It's very fragile. It's like the donkey burro's tail. But maybe some little ones would be okay. Cool stuff, huh?